Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dual text effect on Canva. So I'm just going to I'm going to use these instead. I'm gonna do pink and purple. I'll do blue. So basically you need to save to like texts as like an image or like a PNG. Then you're going to go to the apps and you're going to find Image Blender. Hello. Oh, this one. And I'm just going to select open. And basically I'm just going to select one and I'm going to select the linear one here. As you can see, I can kind of blend those two images together to have like a dual text effect. So I want it to be like diagonal, for instance. So I'm just going to put the strength up to 100%. So like the line isn't like gradient, I guess. I hope that makes sense. But that's pretty much it. If you want a gradient, you can adjust the strength here, but this is without gradient. And this will like separate the two colors here. You can add even more if you'd like to. So here, whoops. Hello, why is it missing? Okay, well, it's supposed to look like that. Here, I'll go back to linear. I forgot to save it. And just do this first and 100% strength here, and I'll press save. Then you can even add more colors to it. Like for instance, let's do orange. Oh my gosh, this is very annoying. Sorry. And then I'm gonna go back to that image blender in linear here. And I'm gonna do it kind of this way in 100%. And press save, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.